Our joint stock company for the production of medicines in Yekaterinburg has been producing pharmaceuticals for 20 years. We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a chief engineer for 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment, which meets GMP requirements and standards, a unit for dehydration of water solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and devices. 5 months ago, the management of the company decided to expand the sales market and deliver its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to start producing medicine for colds in powder. We had to buy a new, modern granulator for a pilot batch of products, which would provide a powder output of 20 kilograms per day. Granulator is a type of pharmaceutical equipment used for granulation of powdered materials. The task of using the peltizer is to form spherical strong pellets. According to the technological principle of operation, peltizers are divided into 2 groups, with humidification of powder and without humidification. It was up to me to choose the granulator. I wanted to complete the task in the shortest possible time, to be able to work on another problem, which suddenly arose in the production area of powder for tablets. A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not allow to happen, so I started looking for a peltizer, and I thought I would find the necessary equipment right away. First, I compared peltizer manufacturers in Europe and China. I conducted my search by the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, and price category. Among the quality manufacturers in Europe, I found 3 companies that offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing a peltizer on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. Of great importance in choosing a specialist was the length of time they had been working in the market for the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of the prices. First, I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery, and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with a quality peltizer and would not delay the delivery of equipment. The last option of intermediaries I decided to check thoroughly. I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity, read the reviews of buyers of this company. In the list of companies under liquidation, the company was not listed, and I found only positive reviews. I checked the company's website, and I liked it. Modern, structured, lots of videos. After contacting the manager, I received a good advice on the desired equipment. The specialist offered me a granulator for dry granulation of powder, with a capacity of 1 to 6 kilograms per hour. The form of the obtained granules, coarse. Dry pressing into plates with their subsequent breaking into finished pellets. The color of the pellets is different, pink, white, black. The manager emailed me a detailed instruction manual, where I could study the features and characteristics of the machine. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later we made a contract for the delivery of a granulator for dry granulation of powder. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine's operation. The machine is made of stainless steel. An automatic hydraulic system is used to create the clamping force, which pumps out the desired force. The machine has a manual control panel. In another modification, the clamping pressure is maintained manually by using a manual hydraulic pump and an electronic control panel with a menu. Ideal for producing pellets from our powder, as it cannot be moistened. The granulator was delivered within a month after the contract was signed, and we were able to quickly set up and start production of the drug for treating throat diseases. The equipment turned out to be high quality and highly productive. I would like to mention that I told the manager about a problem with a machine breakdown at a related site. He recommended me a good technician for setting and repairing the equipment, and we are already working with him, and we are happy with the results. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing equipment.